Hey, welcome back to my channel. Y'all see the little headband thing with the no earrings on, and my makeup is already on, so it can only mean one thing. I am back to give you guys a hair review, and today, you guys, the hair that we are reviewing is from CloverLeaf Beauty, and it is a headband unit, and I was sent this via PR, and I just want to say thank you to CloverLeaf for thinking about me enough to send me this awesome unit to review. Disclaimer, y'all already know if the hair is not good and if I do not vouch for it, it does not make it to this channel. So let's go ahead and get into it. So again, y'all, we got a standard bag. Y'all know bags don't bother me. It's actually easier to house the units if it comes in a bag. Doesn't bother me at all, y'all. So upon opening the bag, y'all, I got a little thank you for your purchase card, and of course this seller is based out of Amazon. So cute little panda bear on it, and if you guys don't know, I love bears, so this is cute, the little panda bear. And they also gifted me some 3D eyelashes. I'm gonna actually wear these, y'all, because these lashes look kind of bomb. They look bomb. Yeah, I'm gonna get into that. And they gave me a deluxe wig cap, and y'all already know the wig caps come with 2 in the pack. And I don't know, my friend Jamie was saying that cheetah print must be the thing that's in, because y'all, I keep getting these, I don't know where I put the other ones, but I keep getting these cheetah print headbands. But you know, I guess it's cute, guess it's all right. But hold on, this cheetah, it's a lot of different contraptions, different pieces, but it's a thicker headband unit, and it has like that little twist part in the front. You get what I'm saying? And then the actual unit comes in this cute little bag that says 100% virgin human hair. And y'all, this is so cute. And upon opening the bag, okay, and I'm going to leave the specs for this unit, of course, in a picture somewhere in the video, as well as a link to it will be down below. And this is how the unit is. And you guys, this is a 16-inch human hair headband wig. And if you guys are familiar with human hair bundles, then y'all already know how the hair has that hair smell. Y'all know what I'm talking about, that hair smell. But this is how it looks. This is how the unit looks. Curls really cute. And it has the standard, make sure standard 4 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 in the front and 1 in the back. And you guys, I actually took the time to slick my edges down, y'all. So they not really, you know, I don't have no baby hair swoop to swoop. I just have them slicked back because this is about to be wash day and I ain't got time for all that. So let's go ahead and put this unit on. And y'all, I'm looking over here at my mirror. Okay, you guys, so I actually think that this is shorter than 16 inches, but so I might have to check back on my order. But either way it goes, y'all, this is really cute. So it did say that it is 16 inches. maybe because it's, I don't even know, because I'm stretching the curls out, and the curls, I'm not sure, y'all. I'm not sure, but either way it goes, y'all, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. It is so soft. It is human hair. It is a Kinky curl. The hair is actually really full on this headband, y'all, and as you can see, I am pushing it over to the sides, going it down the middle. It is so cute, y'all. Like, it is really cute. Let me throw on some earrings so I can, you know, let the earrings finish the look, because this is cute, y'all. Yes, this is really, really, really cute. Like I said, I do have my edges out today, and just to give you guys a look at what it looks like with the headband that came with it. I don't know if I'm putting this headband on right, y'all, but let me see. Let me see. So this is how it looks with the headband, y'all. Cute, cute. And even though the headband, I've been just receiving nothing but cheetah print headbands, the headband for this unit is, this headband is actually a lot thicker. It's one of the thicker ones from the headband units that I received to review. This headband is a lot thicker, so I actually like that. And y'all, I'm just adjusting in the back, but this hair is really, really, really cute. It is human hair, and I do have some water right here, and I just want to see something. I should have got a towel. I'm just spraying this water, but let's see. Okay, so as you can see, just with me wetting that, the curls start to really pop a little bit more. I'm not sure if y'all can see, but the curls are starting to pop a little bit more with me wetting the hair. Can y'all see that? Do y'all see how the curls are starting to pop? But this is really, really, really cute. This is my first human hair headband unit, so I'm really liking this. And y'all, the curls are they're really popping with the water being added to them. So yeah, y'all, this is cute. This is cute. This is cute. Okay, so even though it says that it's supposed to be 16 inches, y'all know how curly hair works. Curly hair, when it's just kind of like natural African American textured hair, the hair can shrink up, you know, shrinkage. So I'm not, you know, too pressed on the length issue, because like, it's summertime. Anybody trying to have all that hair down their back? But this is really cute, you guys. I really like this unit. Like I said, it is a headband unit from the brand CloverLeaf. They did send me this hair to review, and like I said, y'all know I only give honest opinions on hair. If it's not good hair, I will say so. If it's not good hair, it will not make it to the channel. And this is the side where I got it fluffed out, fluff, and then I sprayed it down with water over here, and like, this hair is cute, y'all. I know I said with the other unit that I can't wait to wear it out, but I really cannot wait to wear this out. Like, this is a unit that you wear out, like, where am I gonna wear this to? I'm looking at myself in the mirror trying to figure out. This is like an indoor type date, like an indoor activity type date. Yeah, that's what this wig is gonna be left for, like an indoor activity, you know, even outdoor activity, since it is a shorter unit and it's hot. It's hot, you know. I want to be cute, but I want to spray this side down too, y'all. I'm gonna spray this. And yes, I do have water dripping on me right now, but it's okay. But I just want to spray it so it can, you know, match this side. It's probably still don't match this side, but it's okay. Matter of fact, let me just, because you know with these headband units, you can always put it to one side and have it cute and looking all nice and jazzy and stuff. So yeah, I like that. And this is just how the headband looks. And y'all, I'm gonna take the headband back off because I just want to have the black that came with. Just Y'all, this is cute. This is like a little kid. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot, y'all. So yes, this is a wig, a company that I am endorsing, and I do believe for this particular unit, I do believe that they had 10, 14, 16, and 18, if I'm not mistaken, in inches for this headband unit. And like I said, this is supposed to be the 16-inch, and it could very well be 16 inches. Very well could be 16 inches, but I dealt with some water real quick. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let me do. Okay, there you go. It very well could be 16 inches, but it just, the shrinkage. It's a kinky curly texture, so the shrinkage could very well be. What's going on with my throat? Hello? The shrinkage could very well make it be looking the length that it is. And y'all, I have on a plain white t-shirt because I kind of knew that I was gonna use my water bottle, and I didn't want to mess up a nice shirt. And plus, we about to hit the bed in a second, but I received this unit and I just wanted to go in and review her. But y'all, she's gorgeous. She is gorgeous. And like I said, she is a human hair, straight human hair, no human hair mix, just straight human hair. And she's cute. She's cute. I like her. So yes, thank you CloverLeaf Hair for thinking of me and wanting me to review your product. I will leave the link down below to this headband unit, as well as, of course, in the video there will be a picture of the unit somewhere. I just want to thank everybody for coming through. Thank you for taking time out your day to watch my video. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Wait. Y'all, I don't know what's going on in my throat. I promise you I'm not sick. It's probably my sinuses. Has to be sinuses. But let me start over because sinuses come through and messing up what I got going on. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend that I'm back and that I have a channel and that you should come check it out. Okay, y'all. Bye.